Hi friends, good morning to all. I am going to install GPRS for new Ertiga which was launched in 2018 October. If you see here, you can see three wires: white, blue and grey. This white wire is the main power, and to the left of that, here you can see three couplers. In the second coupler you can see single grey wire here, which is I am showing now. This is the ignition, second ignition. Actually it is an ACC point. So through down here, back of this I will given neutral. After connection I will show you the device. See friends, as I told you, here I have given the main power in white. So it's an ACC power. It will not affect our device or either car. Here you can see the ignition in this last grey wire. Yeah, device is working well. So this is the way to install GPS in Maruti Suzuki Ertiga 2018. Thanks for watching.